Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Basics with Meeta. Hope you all are doing good. So here in this video friends, I'm going to inform you that how you can send bulk email using your Gmail ID with its spreadsheet that I'm going to cover in this video. And before that, I wanted to inform you about me. I'm Meeta and I'm making the videos on concrete stuffs. And if you are looking for the videos where you can send the free bulk email on the daily basis, so that also you can find on my channel. You can check the playlist and there you can see the bulk emailing method that you can see from here. As you can see that mail trick is here, and you can open up this playlist. You will find the entire way how you can send the bulk email on the daily basis. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and must watch this playlist of mail trick and other playlists if you're looking for the basic information that you should know. So now we are going to get into the video content for which you all are here, is how you can do the bulk email just in one click using your Gmail ID with its spreadsheet. And this is how you have to align your email subject and message, because for any email what we generally need is email list and subject and message. So these three things we need to send any email. So that is why for that we have aligned a spreadsheet where we have mentioned the email list, subject and message. Using this button, if we click it once, our email will start sending, and just in few seconds your entire email will send. So I'm going to show you that how you can make this spreadsheet and what code in the backend of the spreadsheet you are going to use to send the bulk email just in one click using this email ID. So I'm going to show you that how you can make this spreadsheet. So you have to open up your Gmail and the Google Sheet or spreadsheet of that email you have to open up. You have to take the blank sheet or blank spreadsheet. And here I'm going to mention email, subject and message. So we only need 4 columns, and in this column we will put our button. We will remove the entire column that we have no use. We will select entire column that we don't need and we will delete it from here. So now we have left with 3 columns, and I'm going to give this subject name is any names you can choose, and I'm going to select it my channel name Basics with Meeta. Yes, so we have done this, and now I'm going to bold it little bit, give it a color so that it will look nice. And now what we will be doing is we will put the email list, subject and message. So whatever the subject you want to keep, you can keep as per the niche you are having and as per the email list you are having, and the email marketing or the data that you want to send. So as per that you can mention your subject, and here's the message that you want to deliver to your email or to your recipients. So now I'm going to use the same list so that this video not extended much. I'll paste it here. So I am having the hues, content and data. So what I'll be doing, I'll select and I'll align it in the proper way. So you can see that now the entire data of mine is properly aligned: subject, message and email list. So this I am going to use to send the bulk email, and for that now we are going to work on the backend of this spreadsheet. So for that, what we'll be doing, we will go on tool and we will select the script editor. So here friends, I'm going to use one code that we will paste it here, so that using this code email will send. Now we will remove this one because we are going to paste another code that I'll be giving you. So here, as you can see, that it is there in my system. In the Word file I have kept this code. So if you want this code, you can simply ping me on Instagram and I will be sharing you this sheet, and using this code you are easily going to send the bulk email. So just paste it here. It will take only 1 second. Now you can see, I want to tell you about this. Here I have using the function that is bulk mail sender, and you can see that spreadsheet we are having and this code. Now you can see that for loop we are running. In the for loop, it will fetch the email list, subject list, message list one by one, and using the mail app, you're using the mail app, the app will using the mail app, the email will send. And you can see that here in the second row, here as you can see that in the second row it will fetch the last row that we are having, and it will fetch the data of our active sheet that we have made. And how it is going to fetch the data? For that, we have to select this sheet, we have to copy this, so that if we paste it here, it will fetch the data, it will fetch the email list, subject list and message list, the active spreadsheet that we are having. It will fetch the email, subject and message one by one. So this is only you have to do, and after that what we have to do, we have to save it by clicking on save icon. So now it's saved and we are ready to send the email, and here you can see that run option is there. So from the backend of the spreadsheet we can send the bulk email, and after that I will tell you that how you can make the button so that you don't have to go to the app script or the backend of the spreadsheet. So simply you can click on that button and you will be able to send the bulk email. So here I'm going to show you by using the backend of the spreadsheet. I'll click on this run button. It will be fetching the data of the sheet that I'm having, spreadsheet. Now I will give the review permission because it is fetching the data of Gmail. You can select your Gmail ID that you are using to send email. We have to click on advance because it is fetching the data, that is why it is asking for the verification. Now you have to go on this option, go to untitled project. Just click on allow. It's completely safe because you are using this Gmail data and you are using the Gmail. So simply it is fetching the data, that is why it is asking for the verification entire thing. So we will click on allow. Now you can see that this is only you have to do, and you can see that my entire emails are sending one by one. Let me show you on Gmail. So I'll check the sent, and you can see that just in a second entire data is sent. So this is how you have to do. It is taken just, I have click on run, and it take only 1 second to send entire data, and you can see the timings. So this is how you can do. And now I'm going to show you that if you don't want to use the spreadsheet, then how you can send the bulk email using that button. So now I'm going to tell you that how you can send the bulk email using the button that we are going to create. And you don't have to go to this app script or the backend of the spreadsheet to send the data. You have to just mention these functions, these code here, and simply you have to make the button. So I'm going to show you that how you can create a button. For that we will go to the insert button, and we will select the drawing option. Now I'll make a button. I'll take a shape from here. I'll type mail sender button. Or you can type bulk mail sender button. So this button you can use, and you can save it. Now you can see that this is a button that we are going to use. So let me edit it little bit so that it look better. I'll go on edit again. So here you can see that we are getting the options. Now I'll take a color and let me bold it little bit. Now you can see that it's bold now. Bulk mail sender button. You can resize it. As per you, you can make the button. You can get entire option here to give it a color, to make it bold. So entire thing you can get. Now you have to select save and close. So you can see that now we are having this button that we will be using, and after that we don't have to use this spreadsheet. Only we will have to copy this function that we are going to put in this button. So first you have to click on right button, and then you have to click on this, and now you will click on assign script. You will paste the bulk mail sender function that we copied. We will click on OK. So you can see that once you click on right click, you will be getting 3 dots option. Once you click on this, you will be getting assign script option, and you will paste this one, your function name. You will click on OK. So now you can see that we have assigned our spreadsheet function, and now we don't need this one. So we will close it because we have already created a button here. And now if I'll click on this button, our mail will be start sending. So you can see that I have click on this, and now you can see that finish script. It means again you can see that entire mails is sending. You can see that. You can check the timings here, 22:12 and here 10:12. It's the same timing. And just now you can see that mails have sent. Earlier on the 10:07 I have sent, and now it's on 10:12. So you can see that this is how you can do, and it will take only a second after creating this. Once you know that how you can create this, you can only make it just in 2 to 3 minutes, and you will make the button, you will assign, and you will use this code. And if you want this code, simply what you have to do, I'll be giving my Instagram ID below description, because I'm not having any platform here so that I can give you. And ask the code on Instagram. After following me, I will share you this Word file there, and you can use this code to send the bulk email on the daily basis. You can use your entire Gmail ID to follow this method to send the bulk email on the daily basis. And I'm making the video as I've informed you on the concrete steps. And also, if you want to know the basic information that we all should know, you can watch my video, you can check my playlist, and I have made the video on sending the bulk email on the daily basis. You can send the free unlimited emails. Hope you like this video. If yes, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you'll be updated with my coming videos. And you can find my playlist where I have mentioned the unique way of sending the bulk email. You can find the way how you can send the free email on the daily basis if you're doing the email marketing, affiliate marketing, or if you're doing the CPA marketing. You can use this way for sending the email completely free by watching my playlist of mail trick. And you can follow me on Facebook with the name of Basics with Meeta, you can find. And you can follow me on Instagram with the name of Basics with Meeta, you can find there. For the code, you can ask me, you can follow me, and you can ping me that you want this code. I'll be sharing you within few minutes, and you would be easily able to send bulk email using this way. So till then, take care, see you soon in my next video.